Hi everybody, my name is Katherine Dvorak, or Katie Dvorak, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about the Canterbury Basin and the lost island, or lost continent of Zealandia. So, now I want you guys to take a second and really place yourself on the globe. We're going to be down, way down, down under, past Australia, in an area where people usually forget about, okay? New Zealand, or Zealandia, is parts of two different plates. It's part of the Pacific Plate and the Australian Plate. It has two compressional zones, north and south, and a large transform fault that runs through the middle of the South Island. This large transform fault is a lot like the San Andreas Fault. So imagine the big earthquakes that we get there, here in LA, they get the same thing over there. Now, my area, however, is the center of the island. So you think, okay, we have a lot of earthquakes, there's a big mountain chain down there, we should be seeing a lot of stuff happening in this basin. Nothing. There's nothing happening in this basin, supposedly. Now, if you see here, down in my data section, this is a seismic profile of what the Canterbury Basin looks like. So, as you can see here, it's kind of boring. It looks just like a normal beach. If you took the same profile, you'd see it off the coast of New Jersey. Very boring place as well. So, we took some cores in this area. We have our shelf cores, which are the very flat parts, and we have our slope cores, which are on the very front part of this basin. And what we did is we looked at the sediments in it and rehydrated these sediments, stripped the sediments off the basin, and then we saw the actual flexure or tectonic subsidence of this basin. That's what we're really interested in, the tectonic subsidence. So, up in my results, you see, well, the slope or the deep wells, they're saying it's deep. It's staying deep, nothing's happening, until about 4 million years ago. 4 million years ago, you see a spike. About 1 to 1.5 kilometers of uplift over less than a million-year period. However, if we look at our profile, there are no faults. That means there's been no tectonics, that means there's been no earthquakes. So how did we get a kilometer's worth of uplift in less than a million years? Well, because New Zealand's weird, what happened is, or what we are hypothesizing is, the South Island slowly migrated once it broke off of Australia and Antarctica over a slab graveyard. This is where you have a plate that's been subducted, it's sitting underneath the lithosphere, and that dewaters. That dewatering caused a metamorphism of the bottom of the plate. The bottom of the plate then sloughed off in a drip, and this then caused the plate to rebound and pop up that kilometer. And you can't see that at surface at all. So, thank you.